Since the last video, rocks day 1, I made several changes to make it easier to give you this presentation. So one of the changes I made is to change the keyboard binding. So if I put in super and R, then it triggers rocks. So let me just show you. I super and R causes brings up the and then similarly super and T will launch a terminal emulator. So super and T. So it certainly does. So this is one modification I made. So while we have the terminal on, we can check to see if the rocks file manager is open in appropriate place, because we placed the main one on the right upper and the other one's a little bit on the left. So we can check if the rocks windows open in the appropriate place. So we can go ahead and enter, and indeed it does. So we were able to use the display and save current display settings on each of them and assign them to a key. So similarly, I also made another change. Let me just show you this file, which is on a root, and this is the file right here, .gtk-can-change-accels. So this is the file, and I added a single line of code here, which allows for further modification of keyboard. So after I added this and then reboot, what happens is that I can assign new keyboard shortcuts to rocks. So let me just show you. So I'll start rocks. We had to use the right mouse key to get into the display and then save current display settings and so on. And I can just assign at this point, just do it again. I can just, with that code, I can just here, oops. Let me just use the, so let me just put it right there without clicking. So I'll put the arrow right there and we'll assign Control-D. So watch what happens. So now, when I just enter Control-D, this display settings directory shows. So ALTO is okay. So similarly, we'll also assign a key to options here. So we'll just, without clicking, we'll just leave the arrow, mouse arrow there, and then I'll assign it Control-O. Okay, so now when I just enter Control-O, I get this menu that I can modify to whatever that I want. Let's see. I think that's a short overview of what we've been able to do. And I think on the next one, what I'll go through is show you how to change the background color of a rocks filer. So that's it for today.